Hi guys! Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's me again, Jessie M. So ayun na nga, super saya ko dahil na-claim ko na yung first 12 ako dito sa YouTube. Pero guys, hindi ko naman na-receive yung aking PIN. So paano nga ba at ano yung ginawa ko para ma-verify yung aking billing address at para makasweldo ako sa YouTube. So, iyon ang aking isi-share ngayon sa inyo para in time na ma-encounter nyo yung ganitong problem, meron kayong kaalaman para i-troubleshoot ito. So, yun guys, keep watching until the end para malaman nyo kung ano yung aking ginawa. Yun na nga guys, naka 3 requests ako ng aking PIN at hindi ko pa rin siya na-receive. Kasi yung PIN, yung importante para ma-verify yung iyong billing address. But, kahit na hindi mo pala na-receive yung iyong PIN, meron palang paraan para ma-verify yung billing address mo. So, ganito lang yun guys. Punta ka lang sa iyong Google AdSense account. So, kailangan naka 3 request na kayo bago nyo gawin ito guys. Bago nyo gawin itong PIN troubleshooter. And then, punta kayo doon sa my verify your billing address. I-click nyo yung 3 dot. Then, help. Then, ayan na, magpa-pop up na yung PIN verification. Then, scroll down lang kayo and click nyo yung PIN troubleshooter. And then, may mga tanong kayo na dapat sagutan ng yes or no. Are your earnings greater than the verification threshold? Say yes. And then, have you received your PIN? Say no. Have you already requested 3 replacement PINs? Okay, say yes. And then, lalabas yung you'll have 4 months from the date your first PIN is generated to enter in your account. If you haven't entered it for 4 months, will stop showing ads in your pages. So, i-click nyo lang yung Contact Us. Yan, pagka-click nyo ng Contact Us, may mga fill upan kayong form. Fill up nyo doon is yung name nyo. So, nilagay ko yung name ko. And then, yung contact email address. And of course, yung AdSense publisher ID niyo. So, i-type nyo lang yung PUB and then yung numbers. Then, magsasubmit kayo ng attachment like a valid government ID. And kapag nagawa nyo na yon, click submit. Kailangan lahat ng form dyan is na fill upan ninyo. Kapag okay na yun, guys, lalagay doon, the form has been submitted to your AdSense support. So, we'll try to get back to you within 24 hours. So, mag-i-email sila, guys, si Google AdSense sa inyo within 24 hours or 2 days. So, wait nyo na lang guys. So guys, eto yung mag-i-email sa inyo kapag okay na yung inyong mga pinasa or sinubmit na form. So, ayan, AdSense support. And then, ayan, thanks for sending your proof of identity. Yun yung first email. Kasi 2 emails po yun na ipapadala sa inyo. And then, next is yung AdSense support team na magsasabi na, you just wait, ganon-ganon, for 5 days, 5 working days, ganon. 2 emails po yun, yung marireceive nyo guys. So, ayun. Then, pwede nyo siyang ma-check if verified na yung address ninyo dun sa inyong Google AdSense account. So, puntahan nyo lang yung Google AdSense account nyo and then, makikita nyo doon yung doon sa home, makikita nyo doon if verified na yung billing address nyo. Katulad nito guys. Ayan. Pag na-verified na yung address nyo, sureness at pak na sa sweldo na kayo sa YouTube. So, ayun guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope nakatulong ako in case na ma-encounter ninyo yung problem sa inyong PIN. So, ganito lang po guys yung dapat nyong gawin para i-troubleshoot yung inyong PIN at para ma-verify yung inyong address at para makasweldo kayo sa YouTube. So, yun, I hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up. And of course, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and just hit the subscribe button and of course, my bell button. Thank you so much for watching. Jessie M signing out.